So I'm just waiting for my pot to dry. I just like using a pot because this is like one person's recipe because I stay alone and I'll finish it alone. So I'm going to be adding in my cooking oil. You can use cooking oil. You can actually use what's it called? Margarine or butter. Okay, so I'll put in the link in the description box. I'll put in the list of the mermaid. So I just allow it to like heat up a bit. So once that's set, I'm adding on onion. There's actually water in my hand. I don't know. It's fine. Because I can't use my cook utensils without washing it again. But I'm supposed to dry it, right? Well, when you're hungry like this, right? So as you can see, I chopped my onions to be like kind of small bits. So just there to salt it. So when you see that it can actually swim out salty, so I'm adding in my washed rice. As I tell you, calm down. So this rice is actually not parboiled, it's actually like raw rice. All I did was I rinsed it very well till the water becomes clear. Meaning that I rinsed that almost all the, not even almost, I rinsed that as much starch as I can. Because something that makes rice sticky is starch. So I'm going to be stirring together. So this method will actually serve two purposes. One, it will prevent your rice from getting sticky, and two, it will make it actually last longer, and three, it will make it be grainy. You get? So make sure to coat it very well. Leave it to fry. I'm scared. Any cover. I'm actually using a non-stick pot, so somehow there's a lot of, there might be a lot of sticky. So if you're using non-stick for it, you might have to use a little more oil. Just add your oil a little bit at a time. So make sure to stay at interval. And make sure you do not use too much oil. That's because the stock water we'll be using might still have traces of oil in it. You can see how dry it's looking. You can see. So, hey, I shall not advise non-stick for this recipe. Like. So next is I'm going to be adding in my stock water. Next, I'm going to do is add in garlic. That's because I don't have the fresh one. So I think I get some of that. Ginger. Of course, examine my curry. So guys, don't forget before you add your stock water, make sure to filter it to remove residues of meat and everything, because if you add it like that, you might not like the final look. So I think Scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't have the fresh one, you can use the dry one, of course. So I'm adding in water, just enough to cook the rice. Make sure to add in a little water at a time. Add as you go. Even if you don't have stock water, you can actually use normal water as well. So just cover this and leave it to cook. So taste for salt, so good. Taste for your stock cube, salt, and then the hardness or softness. So it's not yet add enough. Just need to add more water. If you guys noticed, I didn't have seasoning, salt or anything. That's because of the stock water. The stock water is very concentrated. So if you want to watch how I got my stock water, I have so many videos on my YouTube page. So there's no need of adding stock cube, like it's just, and you can see the quantity of the rice. But if you're to cook bigger quantity of rice, of course you have to have add stock water. But you have to add seasoning, sorry. But me, I don't have to add. You see how very simple and easy it is. So I'm stirring it just because the rice is actually soft enough. If it's not soft enough, keep adding water. Don't forget, don't add water at once, no matter the measurement, because no two rice is the same. Let me see. Just a bit to just dry up. So that's it. I'm just going to be adding in my garnish. I actually just added, what's it called? Sweet corn. Sorry, green pepper. Added my carrots as well. Yes, notice I've actually turned off the heat. That's because I don't want it to get overcooked. So just the heat from the rice to just steam it. Get so most times when I actually want to garnish vegetables in my ready-made food, I just like putting it small so it's not be like it's too much or it's too anything. Yeah. So I'm going to turn on the heat back. Just for it to heat up for less than 1 minute. Okay. Here they come. Hey. So just do it and lower it. And leave it to just simmer. Can you see? You see how very simple and easy it is. Yeah, I feel like I should do. It's routine. I'll see you in my next video.